Air fryers have revolutionized home cooking. But here's what manufacturers won't tell you. 80% of air fryers on the market aren't worth your money. Expert testing of over 60 models has revealed only 7 air fryers that deliver professional results. These aren't just good, they're exceptional. And one of them costs less than you might think. Best overall air fryer. The Instant Vortex Plus 6-quart stands out as the clear winner. Professional testing challenged each model with fresh-cut fries, frozen wings, salmon fillets, and delicate vegetables like Brussels sprouts. The Vortex Plus emerged as the consistent top performer. Here's what makes it special. The 6-quart capacity hits the sweet spot for most households, easily handling dinner for 3 to 4 people. The wide, square-shaped basket maximizes every inch of space. No more awkwardly cramming food into circular baskets. This design isn't just about aesthetics, it ensures proper air circulation for that crucial crispy exterior. The heating element and fan combination delivers precise temperature control between 170 and 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Lab testing revealed perfectly crispy salmon skin while maintaining a moist, flaky interior, a feat that cheaper models consistently failed to accomplish. The non-stick coating maintains its performance long-term, unlike some competitors that start losing their coating after a few months. Expert evaluations of Brussels sprouts demonstrated superior crisping ability. The outer leaves achieved a satisfying crunch, while the centers remained tender, a delicate balance that reveals an air fryer's true capabilities. Both frozen and fresh-cut fries emerged golden brown with fluffy interiors, rivaling deep-fried results. Power consumption sits at 1,500 watts, providing enough juice for rapid heating without excessive energy use. The interface strikes an ideal balance between simplicity and functionality. 6 one-touch presets handle common tasks while maintaining full manual control when needed. But no product is perfect. The Vortex Plus takes about 4 minutes to preheat, nearly twice as long as some competitors. The timer maxes out at 60 minutes, which could limit some specialized recipes. And at $140, it sits in the middle of the price range. Best value air fryer. The Kazori Turbo Blaze at $120 delivers impressive performance at a budget-friendly price point. This 6-quart powerhouse packs 1,725 watts of cooking power, even more than the top-rated models. The compact footprint saves precious counter space without sacrificing capacity. Laboratory testing confirms exceptional temperature accuracy, with thermal readings showing less than 5-degree variation from the set temperature. The dishwasher-safe basket and crisper plate eliminate cleanup hassles, a feature many premium models lack. The Turbo Blaze's advanced 360-degree airflow system ensures even cooking from all angles. Professional evaluations of chicken wings showed perfectly crispy skin with no soft spots. The Keep Warm function maintains food temperature for up to 30 minutes without overcooking, perfect for busy households. Advanced features include specialized modes for frozen foods and proofing dough, typically found only in premium models. However, detailed testing revealed slightly lower crispiness levels compared to the Vortex Plus. While chicken wings excelled, salmon skin and Brussels sprouts lacked the ultimate crunch factor achieved by top-tier models. Want to know which features actually matter when buying kitchen appliances? Subscribe for weekly product comparisons backed by professional testing. Best Splurge Air Fryer. The Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer commands its $350 price tag through exceptional versatility. This premium appliance combines air frying capabilities with a full-featured toaster oven. The Element IQ system utilizes multiple heating elements and smart sensors to eliminate hot and cold spots. Capacity measurements confirm it handles a 13-inch pizza, 6 slices of toast, or a whole chicken with ease. The viewing window allows progress monitoring without heat loss. Engineering analysis reveals superior construction quality, featuring commercial-grade stainless steel and precision components. Independent evaluations show unmatched evenness in toasting tests. The advanced convection system creates consistently crispy exteriors while maintaining internal moisture, particularly notable with pork tenderloin and salmon fillets. The LCD display provides comprehensive cooking information, including time, temperature, and function settings. Cookie tests demonstrated perfectly even browning across entire batches, a benchmark many competitors failed to meet. The included accessories, a 13-inch pizza pan, enamel roasting pan, and air fry basket, add substantial value. The integrated temperature probe ensures precise doneness for meats, while the slow cook function expands versatility. Despite its advanced features, the dial and button interface remains intuitive. Best small air fryer. The Ninja forecourt demonstrates that compact design doesn't mean compromised performance. Performance testing across 6 food types showed this compact unit outperforming many larger models. The 1,550-watt heating system delivers consistent results with garlic, wings, shrimp, biscuits, and fries. Efficient design maximizes the available space. The square basket configuration eliminates wasted corners, while the ceramic coating maintains excellent nonstick properties through extended use. The $90 price point offers exceptional value for small households. Acoustic testing measured operation at just 65 decibels, significantly quieter than industry averages. The rapid heating element reaches cooking temperature in under 3 minutes, compensating for smaller capacity with faster cooking cycles. Best dual-zone air fryer. The Ninja DZ071 Foodie Flex Basket revolutionizes multi-item cooking. The innovative dual-zone design operates independently at different temperatures and times. Engineering tests confirm the baskets can combine into a single 7-quart chamber for larger items. Performance evaluations demonstrate perfect synchronization between zones. Chicken wings and Brussels sprouts achieve optimal doneness simultaneously. The Smart Finish feature coordinates completion times automatically. While the $179 price exceeds single basket models, the versatility justifies the investment. The control panel provides independent displays for each zone, ensuring clear operation during dual-zone cooking. The Match Cook feature maintains perfect synchronization for larger portions. The removable divider system converts seamlessly to a single 7-quart compartment. Thermal imaging revealed some temperature fluctuation during extended operation, varying up to 15 degrees from set point. However, final food quality remained consistent after accounting for this variation. Best large capacity air fryer. The Instant Vortex Plus 10 quart sets the standard for high-volume air frying. The expanded interior accommodates family-sized portions while maintaining the excellent performance metrics of its smaller counterpart. Professional testing confirms the effectiveness of multiple cooking trays and the rotisserie attachment. Performance analysis shows consistent results with fries, wings, and delicate items like air-fried apples. The intuitive control system simplifies operation despite advanced features. At $150, it represents exceptional value in the large capacity category. The rotisserie function handles chickens up to 4 pounds with perfect results, while the dehydrator setting produces consistent results across fruits and vegetables. Temperature mapping shows even heat distribution across all rack positions, crucial for batch cooking. Most versatile air fryer. The Typher Dome's innovative design delivers more than aesthetic appeal. Engineering analysis confirms the overhead fan placement optimizes heat distribution while reducing operational noise. The Wi-Fi-enabled platform connects to a comprehensive app featuring 50-plus tested recipes and real-time monitoring. The automated cleaning system represents a significant advancement, requiring only monthly maintenance rather than post-cook cleaning. Independent testing validates restaurant-quality results with salmon and vegetables. The $468 price point and 5.6-quart capacity position this as a specialty appliance for tech-savvy cooking enthusiasts. The companion app provides precision temperature monitoring and programmable alerts. The dome configuration eliminates the need for food rotation in most recipes, while specialized cooking modes like the bacon setting deliver consistent results. Here are our key considerations when selecting an air fryer.